Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is Dracon Digital, and what we're going to talk about today is how to stake Matic. Guys, this is going to be a quick and short and brief video, but anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into it. The reason why I recommend, I like Matic staking is because it gives really high rewards. The rewards are like 30%, 32%, but do remember they can vary. As more people stake, the rewards will go down, so keep that in mind. So here's their current tiered interest rates that will be going out. So this is for 30% bonding. What that means is about 30% of the network is going to be staking their tokens. So keep that in mind. And this kind of gives you the layout of what you'll be getting reward-wise. So keep that in mind. It's good in the first year, and then it will lower over time. Right now we're about half of the total amount that will be released. We're at like 5,600,000,000 or something like that in the circulating supply. I'm probably saying that entirely wrong, but it's like 5.6 billion. Anyways, so yeah, you guys can see the breakdown there. You can set up your own node. I wouldn't recommend it because you got to have all this stuff, and you can have your stake or your staked amount slashed. So that's very important. You want to pick a good node operator who's not having issues with their node, and that your stake or your rewards won't be slashed. So the rewards are pretty good for Matic. Here's actually an example you can use. So say I want to do 10,000 Matic. So basically, if the rewards, we'll just say it's 20%, and we'll say for 1 year, so that's 365 days, you're basically going to get almost 2,000 Matic. Well, if Matic is 50 cents right now, almost 50 cents, that's basically just $1,000 for free. But if Matic goes to $1, well, that means you get $2,000 for free. And yeah, sure, you have the Ethereum gas fees to make the transaction go through, so you have to factor that into your total cost. So it's really interesting. It could be a win-win type of situation, but time will tell on it. Usually you want to stake tokens that you are very bullish on, so that way you can be rewarded for staking those. They don't have staking on Binance. Again, I'm not a fan of using Binance or centralized exchanges because they can easily just say, hey, sorry, your tokens are confiscated, you can't use our exchange anymore, or we don't like you. See, this I would recommend like 0.1 ETH. It's crazy. The smart contract fees and whatnot, so keep that in mind. Don't really need to go into this much, but the unbonding period is only 9 days. It used to be 19 days. So really do keep that in mind. That's important to know. Show you how to stake Matic. So we're going to hit staking. It's at the top of the page, and you go ahead and connect your wallet. So you want to pick a someone who's doing a good, not a good job, but like constantly signing the checkpoints, and you want to delegate to them. So you can see right here, you have the commission fees. You also want someone who has a 0% commission. 4%, 7% is not good. What that means is they basically take the amount you get. So you want this to be high, and you want this to be low. And typically you want to go with someone who is reliable. So they have like the Matic Foundation nodes. These are usually pretty reliable, but hey, time will tell. And you may want to get one with a lower amount in it. That way you get I believe this is correct. I'm not sure 100%, but hey, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to go with one who has a lower stake, because it also helps with distribution and having a more decentralized network. But basically, all you're going to do is you're going to select and delegate to one of these networks. I'm going to probably look for one of the Matic Foundation ones and look for a high amount with a 0 commission. Well, looks like we really got no choice. We can't use a Matic node because all of them are used. Obviously, this one is that, but look, they got 0 checkpoints signed, so I do not want to be a part of that. So next bet is we're going to look for someone with a close to 100% claiming the rewards and with a low commission. And you can click on the guy to see his reward history. Looks like he's doing pretty good at claiming these. You can see he's got a steady stream. March 17th, March 16th. So this guy's constantly grabbing these rewards, which is good to see. 84 different delegators. You can see who all the different delegators are. So it looks like we may go with this guy. So we'll go ahead and delegate here, and we'll select how much Matic we want to select. I'll just go ahead and do just do this amount. Pop it in here, and projected reward per checkpoint. So basically I'm going to be getting 0.5 Matic every single checkpoint, and there's like crazy amounts of checkpoints we showed you. There's tons every day. But anyways, so all you got to do is you hit delegate now. Smash the delegate now. It's going to ask for a signature, and it's going to ask for a big fee. Like always, they want to take your money. Good old Ethereum. Never fails. Never, ever fails. Just so we can get this one through, we'll probably just call it 119, unless it's already juicing it. We'll go to the advanced. Oh, yep, 119. It was already there, guys. Read my mind. We'll just go ahead and confirm that joker. Guys, you guys owe me some ETH. I'm just kidding. Don't worry about it. We do it for the Digi squad. By the way, guys, if you're liking this video, smash up the like. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification. Show me some love, guys. I do this stuff for you guys so you can see this junk. Also, guys, if you want to join the Digi squad, you can click the link in the description below. There's a little Telegram chat, and you guys can be a part of the Digi squad. Don't miss out on it, guys. Matic did want to take some more money, so we just paid another gas fee. My recording wasn't on when I was doing it, but hey, it is what it is. So you can go ahead and see your staking, see how much we're staking. Alright, so we need to go to our account. Where is it? Well, you can see over here that I have 15,949. So what's it say when I unbond? Well, I can unbond and confirm and get the rewards. So basically you'll get your rewards, and you guys can see your amount here. The layout is a little bit clunky. I wish there's an easier way you can kind of look at it and see what your account is getting. But basically you just have the, well, actually I guess it's there. Wow, it wasn't there before. I know it wasn't. Just rewind the video, you'll see. But basically you see your total stake, and then you see your total rewards. Whenever you unbond, you get all your rewards. So guys, that is how you stake Matic. Really easy to do. We're going to leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. It's Proverbs chapter 27 verses 6. Wounds from a friend can be trusted, but an enemy multiple kisses. Wait. Wounds from a friend can be trusted, but an enemy multiple kisses. Multiplies kisses. Guys, I'm sorry, I am dyslexic. Okay, so I get that one now. Okay, so wounds from a friend, that's basically a friend saying, hey bro, you got broccoli in your teeth. And then the enemy is like, wow, your teeth look great, but you got a big clunk of broccoli in it. So guys, don't be that person. Be good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a Crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as Crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up, and yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order, super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link, You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up.